Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Carroll County in north-central Maryland, northwestern Howard County in central Maryland, north-central Montgomery County in central Maryland, Frederick County in north-central Maryland, northwestern Baltimore County in northern Maryland, until 12:30 p.m. At 11:51 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Pittsburgh to near Brunswick, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Frederick, Westminster, Damascus, Thurmont, Pittsburgh, Harry Grove Stadium, Ellicott City, Reynoldstown, Boynes Mills, Eldersburg, Reisterstown, Ballinger Creek, Mount Airy, Tanatown, Hampstead, Walkersville, Manchester, Ficklesville, Braddock Heights, and Oakland. Wind damage with these storms will occur before any rain or lightning. Do not wait for the sound of thunder before taking cover. Seek shelter immediately inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. In Maryland and Baltimore and Howard. The current time is 11:54 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time.